What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing this STEELITE rechargeable work light with a stand. Yeah, pretty cool. 74 inches is how tall it gets. The shortest it is with the stand is 29 inches. So let's open it up, see how it works. Alright, so inside of the box you got your user manual right here. Looks like a guarantee card, so probably about the warranty, or if you wanted their email. You also have this bag to store it in, and then obviously you got the actual light and a stand for the light. Also, you have a nice USB cable. This thing looks like it's probably about 6 feet long. So yeah, let's test it out. Alright, so obviously this light has a charging area. So you could probably use this charger, or this as a charger for your phone. So yeah, you have that, and obviously right below the USB, you have the USB-C. Then you have these arms, which each one has, so it has like a little thing where it clicks into place, and then it won't move. That's how it is for all of them. And then it has this really like obnoxious kind of click, but at least it tells you like you know which way you're clicking it and if it's like in place, and it's pretty stable, decently stable. And yeah, this is also pretty bright. Like, you have 3 different modes. So you have the just plain white, tan, and this mode, which is basically like a huge flashlight. You also have different lighting types, so that's like bright, not that bright, and flashing. So yeah, also you have a battery level on the bottom here, so this means really low, high-ish, mostly charged, fully charged. This right out of the box is fully charged, so that's usually called like ready to run, and yeah, a lot of people like to have that. It's a nice feature. There are a few ways that you can actually mount this, one of them being a clip right here. So this has a wide range of like motion. Looks like you have some magnets, and obviously the way to screw it onto the tripod. How you screw it on is just screw it on like you normally would with a regular thing that you use a screw for. So just screw that on. Make sure it's pretty tight, but not too tight. You don't want to break anything. And then to make it taller or shorter, you have these nice little clips that when they're up, they're loose, and when they're down, they're pretty tight. So obviously I'm still able to move it, but up, loose, down, tight. Then on the actual tripod, you have like a thing that says like push. Let me just get that real quick. So it says push on the bottom right there. Obviously push that, and then the tripod legs will fall out. So push it, and then they will come out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but there we go. We got it. Alright, so this is just your normal tripod. It's pretty sturdy, like not back and forth sturdy because it doesn't have good grip, but like stable as not wobbly. But these little, on the foot of each one, it has these like jagged like hook things. I don't know what to call it, but those will probably help get it hooked on and in place. So probably want to see how bright this is. So let's go in a dark area and see what it is. Alright, so we are in the bunker right now. That's what we like to call it. It's basically just like outdoor stuff, hunting, fishing, all that kind of stuff. But anyways, you have the actual light. This thing is pretty tall, so that is the full height of it. We have it set up on the tripod. Still pretty stable. On carpet, it doesn't slip around as much. So yeah, let's turn it on. Well, first, obviously, stick out all these things so that the light can come out. So pull all these things out. And then, let's turn it on. Oh, that's bright. Alright, let's turn off the light and see how it is. Alright, so this is just like having a regular light on. Like, pretty bright. So let's turn it off and let's see the difference. Oh, I can't see anything. Wow, it's so dark. But this would allow you, like, if there was a power outage, to just be able to see, and yeah, pretty bright. So let's see all the other modes also. So you got the tan mode, which is actually kind of nice, and oopsies, and just like the kind of like flashlight mode. This just points up. So up there is like a little thing that just points straight up at the ceiling. And yeah, pretty bright. The room is still dark, but nowhere near as dark as it was. So now what we're going to do is see how long it will take to charge a fully dead phone. Alright, so we got the USB plugged in. Let's plug my phone into the USB-C, and keep in mind that this is what it comes with. And right now, my phone is at 34%. And it is currently charging. So you can tell that it is charging, obviously, because it has the little charging logo and the little notification that popped up. So it does not appear to tell you that, like, the rate that it's charging at. So I'll just tell you how long it takes for it to fully charge. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I just checked on it earlier, and the phone is not even fully charged. It is at 73% and still charging, and this is like, I don't know if you can see, but it is at the lowest one, and the light is extremely very dim. So over the course of, like, I'd say about 10 hours, my phone went from 35 to 73% charged, and this battery thing is basically empty, and it didn't even charge the phone, like, at all, basically, over 8 hours, keep in mind, and it's just barely charged. So it clearly cannot charge a phone fully, but I mean, 50% could be really very helpful if you were in, like, camping and your phone was about to die, and you really just needed that extra 50% so that you could, like, text or whatever you needed to do. So that is very helpful. But overall, this product is very nice. If you would like to get one for yourself, the link is down in the description below. But yeah, overall, I'd give this a 6.5 out of 10, just because it's not the brightest thing. We have flashlights that are a tiny bit brighter. It is nice how you can charge other stuff with it, but even that, it doesn't do too good. And the overall brightness and quality of this is nice, but it's just not good enough for it to be the best flashlight outdoor camping product ever. But overall, thanks for watching. Peace out.